Hello, my name is Molly Pitcher. I was born in 1754 in New Jersey, but I was raised in Pennsylvania. I am an unsung hero because of my unusual courage and hard work in the heat of battle. During the Battle of Midmont, I was given the nickname Molly Pitcher for performing the exhaustive work of supplying battle-fatigued and wounded men with drinking water. I married a man named William Hayes and had one child named John Hayes. I am also known for the famous quote, "Well, that could have been worse." But sadly, I passed away on January 22nd, 1832, due to skin cancer.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Nathan Hale. I was born in Coventry, Connecticut in the year of 1755. I was born into a religious family and later became an activist. An activist is a person who wants to bring a political or social change. And I also went to Yale College to study literature and debate to become a teacher. And I also married Abigail Grau. 2, I went to the Continental Army and became a spy. One of my missions were to raid a British supply slop with guns and ammo. After my mission was successful, in the year of 1775, I was promoted to be a captain. And sadly, in the year of 1776, I was hanged by the British at the age of 21.
Hi, my name is Danielle Bissell. I was born December 30th in 1754 in East Winston, Connecticut. And my parents were Danielle and Elizabeth Bissell. And I went to Millsbury College and married Deborah Sabor in 1793 in Middletown, Connecticut. And we had one son and 3 daughters. I was also a soldier and spy for the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. Here's one of my secret missions. Pose as a deserter to gather intel on the British in New York City. Sadly, I died of pneumonia at age 70 in 1824.
Testing. My name is Dana Boone. I was born on November 2nd at Bucks County, Pennsylvania. When I was young, I learned skills such as hunting that helped me when I grew up. I received my first rifle at age 12 and became a skilled marksman. I'm known for saying that I've never been lost, but I was mighty turned around for 3 days once. I married Rebecca Bryan on August 14th, 1756, with whom I had 11 kids. Unsung hero of the Revolutionary War because I explored most of Kentucky and was the leader in the Revolutionary War. I served as militia officer of Kentucky County, defending settlements and fighting in the Battle of Blue Licks. This gave me information over the area against Britain. I died of natural causes at the age of 85 in Defiance, Missouri, at the home of my son, Nathan.
Okay, hi, I'm Margaret Green Draper. I was born on May 3rd on the year of 1727. I was originally from Boston, and I was the great granddaughter of Samuel Green, one of the first printers in North America and of the Cambridge Press. I supported the British during the Revolutionary War, and I had to flee Boston under the protection of the British troops. I married my cousin, Richard Draper, but we did not have any children. We adopted one of my nieces, though, and when he passed away in the year 1774, I took over his business at the age of 47, and I was one of the first women to run a independent business and be a printer, which was uncommon at the time. I wrote a lot of newsletters, such as the Massachusetts Gazette and the Boston Newsletter. And I passed away at the year of 1804 at the age of 77.